Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you something that I've created with Claude. Actually, uh, you can see it over here. It is pretty good, pretty interactive. You can even like click over it, all those things. I will show you in details. I want to just talk about it a little. So over the past 1 month, I am playing with Claude and ServiceNow SDK and trying to understand what Claude is good at and what it's not. So far, I've understood that complex portals like Service Portal or Flow Designer, it is not able to like do it properly. So it is failing. It is not able to create. So it was able to create widgets, but it was not able to put it in a page. But when it comes to these type of UI based like React based solid JS or Vue, all those type of like portals, it is really good at it. And I think what is going to happen soon is, and ServiceNow is also with the build agent app development. Uh, ServiceNow is also telling that we should go for micro apps. And I think that is the future. So ServiceNow will be a sandbox where you can deploy your own micro app, and it will be like regular apps with tables and services in the backend and front end on React or Solid.js or whatever you like. And I will talk to you about this really pretty app. As you can see, I created a farmer's board. It is KrishiBoard, and here, what we have over here is a whole dashboard, and this dashboard, actually, the data is coming from five different tables. So if I'll go back to, so here there is a budget entry, there is a crop masters, different type of crop that I have, farm plot, season record, farm profile, budget entries. Okay, and if I'll go back to the UI page, which is based on React, you can see that how much area is calculated. So based on my plot, it can understand that how much area is calculated, which is 7.5 acres. And there are five active crops, which are wheat, rice, mustard. So if you want to know more about it, you can click over it, and it can tell you that what is the current season going on. So let me just put it over here. Current season is Rabi, and there are 200 kgs of seeds which are needed, what amount of fertilizer that are needed, and what is the estimated revenue. I can remove the crop from this field, or I can, so I have two empty slots, I can even add a new crop. So suppose I want to add tomato, so it will just tell, okay, yeah, this is a new crop has been added in the season. And so again, this is, and it will, so as you can see now, the calculated area, cultivated area has increased because I've added one more acre. And what are the active crops? Still eight, and sorry, five. Budget is estimated this, and this is the expected revenue. Okay, and going down, so we have like crop distribution, crop area distribution, how much area is tomato is using. So you can see there are two, so it automatically updated all the filters. It didn't like combined it, but yeah, it did add. And there is a budget like breakdown, so how many seeds are there, fertilizers are there, what is the labor cost, and then there is what is the expected. So expected is this, current is this, means basically to understand yields and monthly income, all those things. And there is a seasonal crop calendar, so I can, based on this, I can understand when to crop what. And these are the fertilizer and seeds requirement, total revenue, and these are the different crops that I have. If I'll add more crops over here, it will be present over here. So as you can see how interactive and like beautiful looking a dashboard. It's it's not even a dashboard, it's a whole application. So I can make it like I can build it, add you can add all those things directly over here. So you can add a new crop over here, or you can add so this is already, you can add more in your farm what you want to plot. You can already add it from here and like remove it. So as soon as you remove it, you will see that everything changed. So what is the rainfall, what is the temperature? So, and this is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about the micro apps. So I think we are moving from normal um, like restrictive apps to this type of apps. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments.